Alrighty, so we're on to devlog number 5. So, alrighty, so in this case, that last mistake I did from the last devlog, it turns out it wasn't a mistake, it was just that I forgot to do an important step when it comes to drawing 3D. I completely forgot about it. It took me a brain scratch for a moment, then I realized, oh wait, I forgot this. It was this event. Now I'm supposed to execute this function in order to draw stuff, and I forgot to add that, and that's why I was not rendering anything last time. It was a big derp for me on my end. And of course, I had to make some adjustments here, but I do need to patch up a few things on that. So in this case, now it actually works. It's just that I just forgot to add this event with these functions in it. And that should be what makes the 3D drawing draws. So now we're going to test out this very quick. So our demonstration, how this library works. So in this case, I got mouse movement already integrated automatically, and I can actually move around. And I got some 3D stuff going on here. So which is actually good. Now here comes the most interesting part. We're just going to go ahead and exit here, and we can actually edit these nodes. Now in this case, let's say I want to add lighting to it. I want to put some shading. All right. In fact, let's go ahead and just add some shadows and ambient occlusion. Now, in this case, I just had my shadow map set to this size, so it should be good. Now, I have a built-in lighting system already set up here, so we can just run it, and as you can see, 3D happened. Now, we got some shading effects going on here, which looks very nice. And should be all good. Now the lighting I'm using right now is actually aqua, so this is why it looks a little dark, but it's normal. I had the ambient set to half, so it looks more better than having it super dark. Because if you were to actually edit the ambient lighting over here, let's say put it 0.1, it's gonna look like this, very dark and creepy. Yeah. Very dark toned. And then we can actually fix that. I mean, just make it more vibrant. This one's going to set it super bright. So let's start over here. So I've barely seen anything that's going on here. So controls the tones and all that stuff. So it's actually quite cool. And managed to get things working as it's supposed to be now, so it should be all good. I already got the main menu sort of finished. It's just that I need a background for it, but I haven't made it yet. But the transitions effects was already applied, so it's working beautifully. I just needed to actually now set up the background for that, and then I already added the story completely added to the game already with its own proper dialogue display, which is not an actual dialogue, it's just more of a template showing text, which is actually sufficient enough. So with that said, a lot of progress has been made, which is a good sign. I'm actually going to continue to show off more stuff for tomorrow, so I'm going to go to bed right now, and hopefully that I get a lot done.